Industrial transformation is mainstream. It's no longer a competitive advantage whether you have an initiative or not. Your competitive advantage is if you're going to get to scale earlier than your competitors.
Only 8% of companies really have consistent growth in productivity and consistent growth in revenue, right? It's easy in the short term to improve productivity. We can cut our way to productivity. There's entire businesses that then built business models around that. But long term, those assets will not continue to deliver the results you're looking for. So we call these companies pathfinders. And when you look at these productivity pathfinders, their total cumulative growth over the last 10 years has been almost 30% in productivity.
You have to mobilize your organization. Don't just look at the top, but how do you mobilize and how do you influence and how do you energize those people at every level of your organization?
The truth in manufacturing is that we know what our problems are. We have so many of them. The issue is prioritization. So the issue is the ops model. The ops model that we use and the level of engagement that we need from people in that ops model has to change.
I get the sense that many of you are going through some aspect of transformation, and whether it's industrial or product development or your entire operating model, the situations that and the circumstances that drive the greatest value are very similar. It's around people. It's, do the people understand one vision? Do you have a clear vision and a roadmap of where you're going?
We need to first say, we've been doing it wrong, and we have to reimagine that employee life cycle. Support and serve.
It's exciting to be around companies, similar problems, similar challenges, and focused on a similar recipe, molding our strategy, thinking through operations and technology and how it becomes one.
This has been an outstanding event. We meet actual executives with real responsibilities who have straight talk.
Our newest research on Productivity Pathfinders have identified those companies that have transformed their operations and are delivering step change performance improvements to their operations. Please join us October 2024 for our industrial transformation event to learn how these companies are delivering bottom line results for their shareholders and stakeholders.